Can artificial intelligence help with mental health? A recent study explored how ChatGPT, a popular AI chatbot, can be used as a tool for people seeking support for their emotional well-being. The findings suggest that while ChatGPT is not a replacement for therapy, it offers a unique and accessible resource for many situations. Let's break it down. The study identified 3 key ways ChatGPT can help. 1. For people without access to therapy. Not everyone can afford therapy or has access to a mental health professional. ChatGPT offers a private and non-judgmental space where users can share their struggles and receive helpful suggestions. For instance, if someone is feeling overwhelmed, ChatGPT might suggest breaking tasks into smaller steps, prioritizing self-care, or engaging in mindfulness practices. It also recommends seeking professional help whenever possible, making it a good first step for those unsure about how to proceed. 2. As a complement to ongoing therapy. For individuals already in therapy, ChatGPT can serve as a tool between sessions. Imagine you're processing a dream or struggling with a recurring thought. ChatGPT can offer multiple interpretations from various psychological perspectives, like psychoanalysis or cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. While its insights may not match the depth of a therapist's expertise, it provides a way to reflect and engage with your thoughts in real time. 3. During therapy interruptions. Sometimes, therapy sessions are delayed due to vacations or scheduling conflicts. ChatGPT can bridge the gap, offering empathetic responses and practical strategies for managing emotions during these periods. For example, it might suggest techniques like self-compassion exercises or grounding strategies to cope with anxiety or trauma-related images. A real-life example, a user struggling with depression told ChatGPT they lacked the energy to go outside. The AI suggested bringing nature indoors, adding plants, opening windows, or watching nature documentaries. While simple, these ideas offer small, actionable steps that can make a big difference. But there are limitations. ChatGPT's advice is heavily influenced by cognitive behavioral therapy, and it doesn't always consider other therapeutic approaches unless explicitly asked. Additionally, it lacks the ability to interpret nonverbal cues or provide the personalized depth of a human therapist. So, is ChatGPT a replacement for therapy? Absolutely not. But it can be a valuable tool for self-reflection, emotional support, and bridging gaps in mental health care. For those unable to access therapy or looking for additional support, it's a step in the right direction. Remember, AI tools like ChatGPT should complement, not replace, professional help. If you're struggling, consider reaching out to a mental health professional to explore all your options.